So I'm Patrick Sheehan. I'm project manager here at Walz Group, Gladstone. Been with the company for a number of years now. I'm currently looking after the Alpha HPA project, which we are building for our client. So the project is a high purity alumina facility. Our part of the scope is the structural mechanical piping installation for that. So we've been here since the start of this year. We've been installing some heavy modules. Today we're installing our pipe racks. There's 3 of them ranging from 40 tonne up to 62 tonne. So the scope of the project is quite a large alumina refinery again, aiming to develop a high purity product that they can use for semiconductors and heat absorbent properties and products later down the track. So what we've got here is our Kobelco CKE2500. It's a 250 tonne capacity crawler crane. We've owned this one in the fleet since 2007 from new. It's out here essentially because we have a lot of number of lifts here over the 30 tonnes, and this one's really fallen in the right capacity for us for what we need to do. What we like about this is obviously the versatility it's going to have for the project. So the project is relatively spread out. We need to move around. We've got the advantage of not having to pack up and set up over a traditional hydraulic all-terrain. We can reposition as easy as we need to. We've also set ourselves up with a boom configuration here that's going to cover all the lifts we currently have. We've got a 48 metre main boom and an 18 metre fixed fly, which has covered everything we need so far. We've also got quite a number of boom sections we can add in if we do need to change configurations down the track. No, like our operators, they enjoy these cranes. They're quite common, they're quite basic, simple to use. So they've got very common charts. Yeah, this is a 250 tonne capacity crawler crane. We've got it set it up here with 48 metre main boom, which means we can go up to maximum of 78 tonnes as it is. Obviously that's right in very close. We've performed now 30 lifts over that 30 tonne mark. Today will be our heaviest, which one is 62 tonnes, all without having to need to change the boom configuration throughout this whole 6-month period. So we have got a good range there for it. We can go up to 70 metres main boom if we need to, as well as the fly options on top of that. Obviously we look after it and it looks after us. Aside from the minor maintenance we have to do, we've had no major issues with it on this project and to date. When we first started looking at this project, end of last year, we saw, I suppose, the breadth of work we had to do, how much we would be moving around across the site. And for us, it was a simple choice to choose our crawler cranes. We've got a number of these in the fleet. We decided on this one, obviously, because we saw at the time there was a lot of the lifts there that would be needed for it and well suited for it. So, whilst we have a number of Kobelco cranes in our fleet, so we've got 2 250 tonne capacity cranes. We also have another 150 tonne crawler crane. We have had other 250 tonne cranes over the years, and for us it's a simple, versatile option for us. We can put onto these larger projects. They're easy to move around, set them and reconfigure them as we require. For us, they are easy. We've got good relationship with their TRT and their parts department. They give good capacity in the lift charts. We've also got good software there if we do need to do modelling, any checking and for all the lift plans for us. Proven good for us for this project, and hopefully we don't have to do too much changes for it for the rest of the project.